Welcome to iTeachCybersecurity Academy, iTCA, where we make cybersecurity simple, useful, and practical for everyone. If you've been following along in this cyber threat intelligence full course, you've already learned how threats are detected in real time and how campaigns are analyzed over time. Now, we move to the highest and most impactful level of threat intelligence. This is Module 5, Strategic Threat Intelligence. Here's the big question this module answers. Organizations spend millions on security tools, teams, and technologies. Yet many still make poor security decisions. Why? Because decisions are often reactive, driven by the last incident rather than long-term risk. Strategic threat intelligence exists to fix that problem. This module is designed for beginners, aspiring CTI professionals, security managers, policy analysts, and anyone who wants to understand how cyber intelligence influences leadership decisions, budgets, policies, and long-term security planning. By the end of this module, you'll understand how intelligence shapes an organization's security posture and future readiness. By the end of Module 5, you will be able to explain what strategic threat intelligence is, understand how it supports executive decision-making, describe the role of a strategic threat intelligence analyst, explain threat modeling at a high level, understand how intelligence drives organizational security posture, and clearly distinguish between incident reports and intelligence reports. Let's begin by understanding what makes strategic threat intelligence different from everything we've covered so far. Strategic threat intelligence focuses on the long term. It looks at trends, emerging threats, and future risks that may impact an organization months or even years from now. Unlike tactical and operational intelligence, strategic intelligence is not time-critical and is not focused on individual indicators like IP addresses or malware hashes. Instead, it asks a forward-looking question: what threats should we prepare for in the future? Strategic CTI examines how technology adoption, geopolitical shifts, cybercrime evolution, and regulatory changes influence an organization's risk landscape. It helps leaders avoid surprises by preparing for what's coming, not just reacting to what already happened. Because of this long-term perspective, strategic intelligence plays a critical role in executive-level decision-making. Strategic intelligence is designed for executives, policymakers, and senior security leadership. These decision-makers are not concerned with how to block a specific IP address. They care about where to invest resources, how to shape security policy, and how to protect the organization's mission. Strategic intelligence informs decisions such as how security budgets are allocated, which technologies deserve investment, how policies should evolve, and how national or organizational security plans should be shaped. Without strategic intelligence, leaders are forced to guess. With it, decisions are evidence-based, aligned with risk, and focused on long-term resilience. This brings us to the role of the strategic threat intelligence analyst. A strategic threat intelligence analyst operates at the big picture level. Their job is to study threat trends, assess long-term risks, and translate technical cyber threats into language that non-technical leaders understand. They don't overwhelm executives with logs or alerts. Instead, they explain what threats mean for business continuity, reputation, national security, or organizational objectives. To do this effectively, strategic analysts need strong big-picture thinking, the ability to communicate risk clearly, solid analytical writing skills, and awareness of policy, regulation, and industry trends. Their value lies not in technical depth alone, but in their ability to connect cyber threats to real-world impact. One of the most important tools used in strategic threat intelligence is threat modeling. Threat modeling is a structured way of identifying, analyzing, and prioritizing threats to an organization. It helps answer essential questions such as what assets are most critical, who might attack them, how attacks could occur, and what the potential impact would be. Threat modeling forces organizations to think systematically rather than emotionally or reactively. At the heart of threat modeling is the identification of critical assets. These may include sensitive data, critical systems, infrastructure, or intellectual property. Assets are considered critical because their loss, compromise, or disruption would cause significant harm. They often support key organizational objectives, national interests, or essential services. Once assets are identified, strategic analysis evaluates adversaries based on capability and intent. Capability refers to what an adversary can realistically do, while intent refers to what they want to achieve. Understanding both allows analysts to estimate likely attack scenarios and assess threat severity. A highly capable adversary with strong intent represents a far greater risk than one lacking either. Strategic threat intelligence then links threats to organizational goals. Threats are not analyzed in isolation. They are mapped to risks and then to mission objectives. For example, if an organization handles sensitive national security data, espionage threats become high-priority risks. Intelligence must always align with what the organization is trying to protect and achieve. With this understanding, strategic intelligence begins to shape the organization's overall security posture. Strategic intelligence is used to drive policy decisions, technology investments, and workforce development. For example, if intelligence shows increasing reliance on cloud infrastructure, organizations may invest more in cloud security and training. If new cyber laws or regulations emerge, policies may need to be updated to remain compliant. Intelligence ensures that security evolves intentionally, not accidentally. An intelligence-led security strategy prioritizes real risks rather than reacting to headlines or fear. It avoids wasteful spending by focusing on what truly matters. This approach aligns security with business needs, improves resilience, and provides leaders with better visibility into risk. Security becomes a strategic enabler rather than a cost center. To understand whether this strategy is working, organizations assess their security maturity. Security maturity reflects how well security processes are defined, how consistently they are applied, and how effectively risks are managed. Common maturity areas include governance, risk management, incident response, and security awareness and training. Strategic intelligence helps organizations understand where they are today and where they need to go next. Finally, strategic intelligence relies heavily on proper documentation and learning from experience. Proper documentation is essential for accountability, legal compliance, and continuous improvement. Without documentation, lessons are forgotten and mistakes are repeated. Recording events accurately allows organizations to reflect, learn, and adapt. It is important to distinguish between incident reports and intelligence reports. Incident reports describe what happened. They are technical, detailed, and focused on specific events. Intelligence reports explain why something happened. They are analytical, contextual, and focused on trends and implications. Both are essential, but they serve very different purposes. Organizations grow stronger by reviewing incident reports, identifying patterns, and improving controls and policies. Strategic threat intelligence turns past incidents into future readiness, ensuring that lessons learned translate into meaningful change. As we conclude this module, let's summarize what you've learned. Strategic threat intelligence focuses on long-term threats and emerging trends. It supports executive and policy-level decision-making. Threat modeling helps prioritize risks by linking assets, adversaries, and organizational goals. Intelligence drives security posture by shaping strategy, investment, and policy. Proper documentation ensures that organizations learn, mature, and improve over time. Strategic threat intelligence is where cybersecurity becomes leadership, foresight, and resilience. In the next module, we'll continue building on everything you've learned and bring these intelligence levels together in real-world application. If you found this lesson valuable, continue with the next module in the Cyber Threat Intelligence full course. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to iTeachCybersecurity Academy and turn on notifications so you don't miss any lesson. At iTCA, we empower you with cybersecurity knowledge that is practical, understandable, and built for the real world.